Namaskar. So let us try to understand how we can connect LEDs quickly to a microcontroller. Okay. So I'll give you three methods and all the three of them are really good and it is very easy to interface an LED with a microcontroller. So very first method can be, let us say we have 3.3 volt available with us. Okay. What you have to do is you have to connect one resistor and then connect your LED, okay, and then put it to a port pin available with your microcontroller. Okay, so like I have put here user LED 0. So what it will do, it will get connected to microcontroller, and whenever microcontroller pin goes to low, okay, if it goes low, then it will become grounded kind of thing. I mean, the microcontroller pin will act as 0, so the LED will glow. All right. Just like this, user LED 0. I have taken a microcontroller, a small microcontroller, okay, MSP M0L. This was newly introduced by Texas Instrument. So it is very easy to design also. And we have two pins, PA0 and PA1 as open drain pins. So PA0 and PA1 I have not utilized right now. I will tell more about it later on. So user LED 0 is connected here, user LED 1 is connected here, 2 and 3 and then 4 and 5. So these 6 LEDs I have connected here. How it is going to work, that I will tell you. So similarly, one resistor and then your LED and then your microcontroller pin, MCU pin. Understood? Same thing you can do with this. Now you don't have to worry about the resistor value, okay? Mostly I will tell you a ground rules. So for 3.3 volt, for any LEDs you can connect approximately 1K or 470 ohm or 330 ohm or 2 230 ohm or 220 ohm, right? So these are the things that you can connect very easily. So here MCU pin was acting as a, you know, like, against it. Like either it can work as a high, so it will not work, or it will go low, then it will act as a ground, so it will LED will start glowing. Understood? Let's move to the next configuration. So what I'm going to do is these are my MCU pins, okay? User LED 2. So what happens whenever the pin goes high, the pin goes high, my LED will get power, okay, and this is ground anyway, so it will start glowing. Understood? So in this way also you can connect. So MCU pin will act as a driver. Here MCU pin was acting as a sink, okay. Here it is acting as a source or driver. Understood? So just make sure that LED, cathode and anode are connected uh, to the ground and MCU pin respectively. Same manner, the resistor value can be connected here as well. 470 ohm max or 330 ohm, based on the glowing brightness that you want. If you want it to glow little bright, then you reduce the value of resistance. If you want it to glow it like dim or low, glow, then you can increase the resistance value. All right. But one more thing I'll tell you, 1K value if you put, it is very easy to work. It will not matter at all. Okay. Now, very good method. Another method that we try to, connect an LED through a MOSFET. So, what is happening? Let's say you have 5 volt here. So, what you are going to do is 5 volt, then you have one resistor, series resistor, and then you connect your LED. So, once you have connected this, what is going to happen is it is going to get connected to the drain of the MOSFET, and this is my gate and this is my source. Understood? So MOSFET drain, gate and source is there. What happens is whenever gate is going to get driven, okay, so like you make it high through your MCU pin, okay. So it is connected to MCU pin. MCU pin is acting as a output pin. Understood? Output pin. So what is going to happen here? Once it goes high, then this gate will drive this MOSFET and it will get shorted. So drain to source, the current flow will start. So once the circuit is complete, the LED will glow. Understood? So how an LED is going to glow? Whenever MCU pin goes high, so it will drive the gate, and once it drives the gate, since this is my N channel MOSFET, so it goes high and it will drive the gate. Once it drives the gates, the drain to source gets sorted, and this is how LED will start glowing. Same manner you can like implement any number of LEDs, and at the same time, to reduce or increase the brightness of LED glow, you have to work on your resistor values. So if you want to reduce the brightness, you start increasing the value of resistance. If you want to increase the brightness, you start reducing the value of resistance. So this is how like I was going to tell you about. Now let me just quickly tell you how I have connected through the microcontroller pin. So this is my microcontroller design. I will tell you very quickly like how this microcontroller design. We have just one like a connector, 6-pin connector. We have one power pin here. This power pin comes to the board, and this power pin I have taken uh, one regulator. Let's say this was my 5 volt. This was my 5 volt. So it is going to get converted to 3.3 volt. Okay. And this is how microcontroller is working. This is my programming, and this is my voltage source, like voltage supply. This is ground, and these are the LEDs that is connected to the different port pins. So I will be like keep changing all these things with LEDs or push buttons or all those kind of things. Understood? All right. So if you do have any question regarding the LED connection, because this is the first step of circuit design with MCU. Okay, like connecting an LED, connecting a push button, or connecting a dip switch. Okay, so all these things, if you want to be a very good hardware designer, then you have to learn all these things very quickly. Thank you so much.